Man, the poor Sierra is looking silly now. No more rims for it. There they are. But maybe this truck will be getting some rims. What is up, YouTube? Today I'm pretty excited because if you've seen the last clip, the new F-150 got new wheels and tires already. Well, sort of. They did come off of that truck, but they look pretty good. I mean, it definitely made this truck, and it is looking pretty good. We got the new Raptor style grille. There's a link in the description for that. We got some new headlights, but I'll just go ahead and show you the wheels. They are RACELINE Mambas. They are 33 by 1250. The fitment is pretty sweet. They do poke just a hair, just perfect. I don't want them sticking out a lot because this truck ain't lifted. It does have a leveling kit, so it looks pretty good. It's a perfect look I was after. It did already come with these headlights, but I'll link those below, just with the grill and the wheels, the Amazon affiliate link, so make sure you check those links out and buy something. So that would help the channel and help me buy more stuff. But the only thing that I think needs to be done now is the mirrors, the door handles, the badges. They all need to go to black. No more chrome. And I'm thinking about either removing the step bars, maybe painting those black, or getting like a more off-road style, something like maybe like the Raptor has or something. I think that would be cool. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll probably just take them off to see what they look like, because I don't use them. I forget that they're there because I'm used to that truck doesn't have any. Never had a truck that has, so I just hop out and it hits my leg. But anyway, this video is a little bit short, I know, but I was hoping that I could have like more action, maybe some burnouts or whatever, but unfortunately that truck is a one-tire fryer. I did not know that. I guess because it's a 4x4 instead of a FX4. If you know, leave a comment down below. But I was worried about the ride quality because the other truck rode like shit, but it's got torsion bars, all that, so it still rides awesome. I do need some tires for it still. They are Federal tires. Probably need some BFGs or something. So if you work at BFG, hook me up. But also, I got that truck for this to be towed around, which it is broken right now. The clutches and the belt. Got a bunch of sand in it from Piney Hills. Make sure you check that video out, and some videos on the Razor. I'll link them in the cards above, and some at the end screen. But so yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more Razor content, more F-150 content, a lot more to come on the F-150. It needs to be washed right now, but I'm not going to show you that. There's videos probably still to come on the Sierra before I get it sold, so if you do want to buy it, hit me up on Instagram. Link will be in the description and across the screen. Snapchat's also the same username. And also, this is a V8 truck, so if you are from VMP, you know, Magnuson, Whipple, Pro Charger, and you want to hook me up with a man's EcoBoost, let me know. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.